Welcome to another chapter of Pathshala, and today we are at the breathtaking Coconut Lagoon CGH Earth Resort. And my, what a gorgeous location! Sprawling with coconut trees along the lakeside, it is almost heavenly. So welcome to Pathshala. The learning still goes on. Welcome to Kerala. Showtime now.
You want to put it?
Yeah, I know. Straight, no?
Yes.
So these are called idiyappams, in case I didn't tell you. And this is the most important breakfast of Kerala, right?
Yes, one of the.
So chef, what are you going to serve this with now?
With beef kurma.
With beef korma?
Kurma with.
Okay, so great. Now you have vegetarian options as well. So I would do a really nice vegetable korma with pumpkin, with green beans, potatoes. So you also get the ones which I have at home, are the ones which you get the hand-made, the domestic ones, in which you can make your chaklis, you can make your gathias and saves as well. Now these are going to be steamed, and this is one more thing I learned today. The Pathshala has already begun, guys, is that chefs puts a little bit of coconut. Okay, normally we put like oil on it so that it doesn't stick, but the chef said they use some grated, fresh grated coconut, which helps it from sticking as well. Today we're going to be eating some beef korma with the idiyappam. Chef, I'll see you inside.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh yes. Come buddy. Wow, that's a feast. Look what chef has made. So that's the advantage of the back door entry in the kitchen. So idiyappam, known as string hoppers, is one of my favorite things. I do like to make them too. But today I got like a advanced course from Chef Jerry. It's parboiled rice flour, salt, water, and that's it. And it goes in through a press. So these can be eaten almost with everything. Anything like a stew, maybe a fish curry, a pumpkin curry, a crab masala. Today I'm having a lovely beef korma here. There's also like a vegetarian option of a green peas curry, but you know, come on, I'm in Kerala, man. You got to enjoy the protein. This is so good. Beautiful, succulent, slow cooked, a lot of lovely flavor, lots of coriander, and there's a beautiful extra flavors of that green cardamom, black pepper, cinnamon, and of course fennel, sauce. So this is literally a lovely, almost like a light brown to a very green color kind of stew, which goes absolutely beautiful with the idiyappam. What a day. A brilliant breakfast stew, and now it's time to meet the Guru and his crew. Don't say that. It's a pleasure meeting you. It's an honor to meet you, finally.
We are from the same college.
Are you also from Mumbai?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
But he's 12 or 14 years younger to me.
I know.
You know, the weather gods has been good with us today. Hello, how are you? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Morning. Wow, look at this. Oh, there's a bed inside.
Yeah.
Oof, look at this. Amazing, look at that. Here we are, guys.
They are the two chefs that we have.
Hello, chef. How are you? How are you doing?
They are on very traditional attire, but their food in the hotel, in the group, the best food is in the house.
I'm sure. So the kitchen is at the back? Come, let's have a look. Clams.
Yes.
That's beautiful. So this is going to go on the fish and wrap, no?
Yeah.
This is the base masala. Yeah, I can make out. Fantastic. So guys, we are in for an amazing meal today, boss. So much to eat, so much to learn. That's a life.
Most of the fish here is from the backwaters or the lake,
Yeah,
and it is fish either early in the morning or in the evening.
right.
See, we have got a wide variety of big wealth of fishes here, both very small and big. You can see the array or the display of fishes.
For me, this is a whole new experience because a lot of the fish here is very local. Some of them don't even have any Hindi or English names at all. It's very, very typical. There are only names in Malayalam. Like, for example, the most fish which is common, which I know, which is my favorite fish, and I think we're going to eat this today, is the curry mean or the pearl spot. Now, it's called a pearl spot because of this lovely beauty spot which has here.
Yes.
It has a little till hota hai uske. So this is the beauty of this fish. This is a very hyper-local market. Hotels, restaurants, a lot of the locals who live around here come and eat here. So this is literally getting into a very, very, the shelf life is very less. The cycle of consumption is very fast because people eat a lot of fish in their diet here. I mean, look at them, all of their skin is glowing, they are happy people. At the end of the day, you are what you eat.
We're going to the toddy shop.
We're going to toddy shop now?
A traditional toddy shop where people really enjoy their evenings.
Before we head to the toddy shop, we are making a short pit stop to show you something very interesting, something most of you haven't seen before, the cleaning of clams, and it's done by the kilo. There's so much to learn on the go. I've bought clam meat all my life. When we were on the ships abroad, they used to come vacuum packed, beautiful. They made life so much easy. These are also used by a lot of restaurants, especially when they are making spaghetti vongole, which is spaghetti with clams. This is the most amazing dish. I'm so inspired to cook these today, guys. But I hope I get a chance. Wow, look at this. So this is the quintessential toddy shops. A typical, like how you say, a local pub for people. Now, for all the people who don't know what toddy is actually the fermented sap from the coconut palm. The one which is unfermented is called Neera, which is sold at railway stations for many years. I still remember. The moment it starts fermenting, it becomes into toddy or tadi, which has a slight kick to it. People love drinking it by the liters here, and there is this whole thing where you come and talk politics. It's like chai shops, literally just a chai newspaper. So here it's all about toddy. It's all about the whole cultural, the whole brotherhood of the local people as well. The food in toddy shops is also very typical. For example, here in the backwaters, it would be all different kinds of small fish, and the menu changes every day. I don't know what is on the menu today, but for sure I'm going to have a glass of toddy and check it out.
But one thing that is common in every of the food is it is a little too hot. It is spicy, basically chili hot.
Okay.
So they don't put many other spices.
Right. ये क्या है? Anchovy fried. Wow. Beef liver fry.
Liver fry.
Very good. ये क्या है ये वाला?
That is
Varali.
varal.
The same, the sole fish, no?
Yeah, the
River sole.
river sole.
Yeah. So this is our kappa, which is served normally eaten with this. And this is your kadla. I think we should try some of this with the toddy.
Yeah, we'll try.
Kampai. Cheers. Cheers. It's got a really nice, funky, briny. Oh, it's just delicious. I mean, it's got a fantastic body to it. And guess what chef has got us? Wow. Look at that. So this is literally a river sole. Chef, this is really good. I like the sauce very much.
Is it not too hot for you? This is pork, this is beef, and this is liver.
This is beef.
That is beef, yeah.
And this is anchovies.
This is anchovy fry.
So guys, this is a whole, like how you have the gastropub food. This is literally the todi culture. They talk about themselves, they talk about politics, they talk about movies, they talk about women, they talk about money, everything. And all the whole culture and the bonding which is created through this amazing sap from the coconut palm is unreal. And the food which evolves around it is very, very hyper local. It's spicy, of course, as they say, chakna hai bhaiya. So literally, men come here, they eat, they talk dirty, they eat, drink, and go back home. Cheers, chef.
Cheers.
It's been an enlightening day with almost majestic views. We wandered through the backwaters of Kerala in our lovely houseboat, sourced fresh ingredients, even learnt a bit about the local cuisine, local bars, and of course the wonderful local people. And now we approach the best part, where we cook, we eat, and we relish. So we've got these lovely steamed clams. Very little spices into them. We have a nice chicken curry here. This is the star of the show, the poli chattu. This is a plantain and yogurt curry. This is a beetroot pachadi, which is a very classical preparation of Kerala. We have some really nice masala clams here, cooked all together. We have some prawns here. Let's have a look at them. Outstanding. Look at that. Wow. Look at that lovely masala. Beautiful poli chattu. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Now that's what I call real food, man. Beautiful. Look at that. We have some lady finger there. Kerala matta rice. And we have some appams. Enjoy! The whole idea is that, yeah, you have to be careful with the bones. But the flavor of the masala is just outstanding. But the beauty about it is that this is the catch of the day. Just been caught right here. So literally, this fish was got a few hours ago this morning. Amazing. This is delicious, chef.
So, good old days, this was the staple food, or this is the way how it is. Today, we unnecessarily heat up the oil, thereby killing everything that is in the oil and creating some kind of carcinogenic effect also.
Wow, that was some cruise, guys. Thank you so much, Captain. Chefs, hands on deck. It was fantastic. It was one of the most memorable mornings I've had. The learning goes on. The Pathshala will always go on. I mean, clamming, todi culture, a fantastic home-cooked meal with the OG. Chef, kya khana bana tha, maza aaya tha. Thank you so much. And guys, if you're in Kerala, you have to do this, yeah. Spice Coast Cruises by the CGH Group is the only way that you should travel on this backwaters. Otherwise, forget about it, guys. Trust me.